Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Visions of the Mirage by Tiwi and Omega. This is another Strawberry Jam map, of course. Gotta go through as many as possible before the next one comes, and then I'll be out of time. So, let's read these books. This map was made in 72 hours for the 18th Strawberry Jam Mind Games, a theme all about messing with the mind of the player. Whatever you do not trust the visions. I don't see any visions or monsters, but that's okay. Rules: play on easy or higher, never peaceful, the map is balanced around, and stay in survival mode. Do not leave the map boundaries, digging far out, walking on the bedrock ceiling, etc. Do not craft the monument blocks, you shouldn't be able to, but just in case we messed up somewhere. Remember to tell Chip he sucks at CTMs. Chip, you suck at CTMs. Alright, so, is it on, okay, it's on normal. And from the looks of it, natural mob spawns are off, and I see a red box over there. Oh, fun. I should, I should just not do that. I wanted sticks. That's, I don't even trust this anymore. I'm just gonna punch out the rocks over here. Well, I've already been bamboozled. I already got raffle stomps. This is a slab too, so it takes extra long. Well, I just wanted some sticks, man. That's just not cool. Oh my god. Oh my, well, at least I have a ton of blocks. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Gonna stick down here now. With my sticks. That was absurd. I should have seen that coming, but there's always a trap around the beginnings of these places, aren't there? That's ridiculous. I could go around, because that's a red box over here. There's something under it, I have a feeling. Let's take a look. Oh, that's a cave down there. Hello? I don't know. But I'm gonna break that chest anyways, because I don't trust it. I'm watching out for sand. I'm being a little spooked out right now. I want sticks though. Okay, I don't know what to do. But I guess we just cross this bridge. Monsters over there. Trapped box. Doesn't look like anything's under it. Okay. That was fun. Okay, got pants and food. Took a big old fall. Want to keep these on me. I swear there's absolutely no traps in this area. But you know what? I can smell a mind game. Oh, you're about to spawn something. Too bad. I don't think so. Boop. Alright. I'm expecting a string trap. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. I kind of want some of this. This is a little concerning. This place is just slightly concerning. Hello. Okay. Is every chest gonna be a trap chest? Oh. I didn't even break the spawner. I heard footsteps. I wasn't sure where they were coming from. Oh great, another creeper. Another zombie just spawned. Come on. Hello. Boop. I don't hear any more footsteps. I hear a zombie. I don't trust anything anymore. I just need to stop trusting these things. Because this is all about the games of the mind. Okay. Okay. Cactus abomination. Interesting. Got loads of food. I'm crafting my torches too. There's a zombie on its way over to touch me. Oh, you have thorns, don't you? I have a feeling you have thorns. Get away from me. I don't even know what. Ow. Why I'm lighting all these areas up. It's not like natural mobs are here. Alright, well. This doesn't seem too bad. I'm feeling it's gonna get a lot worse. And you're done for. So far, so fine. Okay. The one of you cactus boys. Oh, there's another construction over here. Okay, I got a little lucky with the thorns. Creeper over there. Kinda wanna test out if mob griefing's on. Uh-oh. Whoops. What does that thing say? Something archer. Nomadic archer. No, 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 no. Skeleton shot the creeper a little. Ooh. No. No. Okay. Okay, let's eat first. Oh my god. It's getting a little intense over here. Okay, that's a lot of coal. Come on, come on, come on. No. No, I couldn't even break it. Oh my god, I'm at half health already. Okay. Let's see what's in this chest in a little bit. Jeez. Okay. Don't fall. Okay. What are you? Nomad's footwear. Ooh, bow and arrow. Okay, we got loads of bread and everything we could ever want. Got this a zombie spawner. And a baby. Oh, great. No, 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 no touch. No touch. Oh, 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 oh. Oh my god, my sword's about to break. This. Do I even have a valid wood source? This is so messed. Okay. What can I do right now? I don't have any source of wood. Was that? Okay, that was all slabs and stairs. Okay, this is really bad. No. My sword's gonna break. Oh my god. What do I do? Do I have okay, I have a little bit of wood. Where did I get this wood? Does that mean there's wood around here? Um, where did I go get wood? I need swords. Oh wait, let me get these blocks. Where did I just get wood? Because I think something blew up and then I collected the wood. Was there wood around here? I don't know. Okay, what is this place? Okay, I don't want to deal with these creepers. Okay. Let's just avoid these guys, because I have an extremely limited amount of wood. Can't even make a sword if I had a crafting table. Okay, there's gotta be more sand traps around here somewhere. Okay, there's plenty of coal around here, which I'll probably... Great! Oh, wait, okay, yes, you guys shoot each other. Okay. It's good for me. I want to stay off the sand. Those sticks look pleasing. Oh, that's not what I intended to do, but I guess it works out in my favor. So much bread. Jeez. Okay. Nomadic archer. Oh, you see me. Okay. Fine with me. Okay, good thing I don't have to use up all my torches on lighting up areas. Do mob spawnings off. Okay, you guys are gone. Okay, that's wood over there at least. Come on, I should probably go over there first. Oh, great. There's a cave over here, though. Just a cactus abomination. My sword's gonna break. I probably shouldn't. Oh, okay. What do I have to work with? Ow. Okay, got more flesh. The rotten. What are you? Swirlies. That's interesting. Oh, fun. I don't have a sword. Sorry. Ow. Okay. Not too bad. Gotta get the spawner, though. Nomadic warrior. Sorry. This looks pretty easy to deal with. Don't have a weapon, though. I don't know where that zombie just went. Hey, look, wood. There we go. Oh, hey. That's where you went. Alright, well, we got that guy dealt with. So now we can make a crafting table. And I probably shouldn't trust this concrete powder either. Okay, so we got this. This doesn't seem too bad. I kind of want to check out that cave after. I need to check out all these places. They diverge. Alright, so we got that spot. Oh, you scared me. Oh, whoa, you're fast. Oh my god. Okay. 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 Okay, that freaked me out a little. That zombie's about to spawn. The warrior of the nomads. There's a spawner under that slab. You can see it. See it smoking. And you're gone. Okay, let's just bust this. Come on. Oh, nice. Now, is that one trapped? Desert axe. Want to see. This one's probably trapped in a bad way. Huh. Bottled parent. Goal reached. You need a mint. What is this? Infinity thorns. No traps, you say? Alright, this looks a lot more tempting to use. Paranora. Nora. Interesting. Let's just keep this. Kind of want to use that instead of a shield. Which is probably going to be stupid. I always get too tempted to use things that aren't shields. And I end up regretting it because of skeletons. I have loads of bread, so I probably can just use it anyways. This looks like another trap. Nice. Just let me in there. Alright, so. Oh, I smell a monument over yonder. Oh crap, there's a lot of skeletons around. Uh-oh. Shoot each other already. Yes. Uh-oh. There's more. Crap. Uh-oh. They're all shooting each other over there. Uh-oh. Whoops. Don't shoot me, guy. Over there, I see you slowly inching towards me. I don't know why. Uh-oh. Okay, blew up your spawner. Why are so many of you? A lot over here. Okay, this is bad. I should probably just book it. Okay. I want to use this dragon thing to my advantage. Oh god, I'm trying to block with my non-existent shield. No. Okay, I can't deal with this. Ah! Oh god, no. Okay, I guess gotta run now. I gotta heal. I want to try and strategically use this, but it's so hard. Okay, all my armor's getting destroyed. Just getting absolutely crushed. Okay, let me heal. What is this even good for me? It only gives attack speed, health, and KB resistance. I should probably just keep that somewhere safer and just take that area down normally. Oh, I have a bow. I probably could just shoot these guys down. Do they have projectile protection, or do they just have normal health? Oh my god. Just nail you. There's probably a normal skeleton around here somewhere. I don't know. Alright, where were we? Oh yeah, right here. So, at least we don't have to do that much in terms of... I need to stop using this thing right here. This is gonna get me killed just attempting to use it. So, did we miss something over here? I think we missed like a spawn. No, we already got it. Oh, great. Always fun. Oh, I broke a torch. Thanks, man. Oh my god, how are you shooting so fast? Okay. There's cocoa beans on these things. Just kidding. I think they're heads. That's a head. Okay. Huh. There's more stuff on that side. Got ourselves a bridge over here. I don't want to trust it. Seems fine to me. So, looks like we got white light gray. So we got 6 objectives. I guess, I don't know which one's bonus. Looks like these might be bonus, but I guess they're probably just side. Well, we got a farm over here. That's amazing. Ooh, carrots. I can't tell if they're fully grown, but that's okay. We probably will expand this, but anything missing over here is this hell biome. Doesn't look like it. Oh, thanks for kicking me out. Okay. Are you trapped? No. This looks... Well, I think it's best we end it right here, folks. So, we'll smell you, ladies and gentlemen, in the next part, and my helmet's already broken.